Guys, have you wondered how dangerous can the smallest atom in the universe could be? Hydrogen. The smallest atom in the universe have the capability to make steel pipelines crack from the inside. It's the smallest atom in the universe, as I've been repeating, and that's exactly why it's the dangerous. Hydrogen is the most often called the fuel of the future, clean, lightweight, and the most powerful as well. But there is a problem most people never heard about. Hydrogen can destroy matter from the inside. Steel pipelines that safely carry the natural gas can fail when filled with the hydrogen. Not because of pressure, but because of two things: chemistry and the material size. As hydrogen atoms are tiny, so tiny that they can slip into the crystal lattice of the steel. And once inside, they can weaken the bond between the iron atoms, and the process is called hydrogen embrittlement. Over the time, steel loses ductility, it becomes brittle, and tiny cracks form under the normal operating stress. The scary part is that this damage is almost invisible. Pipeline can look fine from the outside while cracking internally. From a chemical engineering perspective, this is a classic diffusion and the phase interaction problem. Hydrogen mitigates and migrates through the metal, concentrates at effects, and lowers the energy needed for the cracks to grow. And the higher pressure makes it worse. And so does cycling, filling, emptying the pipelines again and again. That's why you can't just reuse existing gas infrastructure for pure hydrogen without changes. Engineers are always trying to redesign alloys, add internal coatings, limit hydrogen concentration, or blend hydrogen with other gases. Hydrogen is not only dangerous because of its explosive nature, that part is somewhat manageable, but it's dangerous because it quietly changes the material we trust to contain it. So, when people talk about a hydrogen economy, the real challenge isn't about making hydrogen, it's about making the material that can live with it for decades. So now you know how powerful hydrogen, the smallest atom in the universe, is. Follow for more chemical engineering and technology facts explained simply clear.